What's going on, everybody? It's Cody, your home theater hobbyist here, and today we have something kind of special and unique in this box. It is an electrostatic Bluetooth speaker from BenQ. And those aren't words I ever thought I'd utter in the same sentence. So I'm kind of excited and curious as to what they're doing in here. So let's go ahead and let's get into this unboxing. So as I said in the intro, I'm really curious to get in this box. I know electrostatic speakers as big floor standing speakers from, certain brands, and I know BenQ as a company that sells projectors and computer monitors and things like that, but I didn't know they were selling speakers, and I definitely didn't know they were doing electrostatics or small electrostatics. So I am really curious to get into this. But as you can see, the box itself is pretty small. There's no markings on it or anything like that, but that also makes it a target for porch pirates. So you want to make sure you're home or you have a neighbor pick this up for you if you have it delivered to your home. But it's pretty small. It doesn't weigh very much at all. And that's pretty much all I have to say about the box. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. Bubble wrap. Ooh, fancy. This looks like a fancy carrying case. The manual for the speaker, a outlet adapter, the plug itself, The TreVolo S is an electrostatic Bluetooth speaker that features Bluetooth 4.2 and NFC pairing. It also features dual 12-watt drivers, and it has a frequency response from 60 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Not only does it have Bluetooth input, but it also includes 3.5mm stereo input and USB audio. The onboard battery will play up to 18 hours, and it weighs 2.2 pounds. The TreVolo S costs $199. So there you have it, the TreVolo S from BenQ. My initial impressions are this is a very nice speaker. It has got a nice build quality and it's got nice colors. I like the gray here a lot with the copper outlines around the drivers. I like the fact that the electrostatic planes fold out so you can have better volume up front, but then they come in so it's nice and compact when you want to carry it somewhere. It's got a battery in here, so it does have some weight to it, some heft to it. The bottom is angled here, so it kind of sits back just a little bit. Up top, you've got all your critical buttons like power, volume up, down, play, pause, mode select, and I guess Bluetooth if you're trying to do Bluetooth seeking. They fold out just like that. I really like that. On the back, you have the power port here, and maybe that's a headphone jack. I'm not really sure. I haven't read the manual yet. And I also assume these are just vents. I'm not really sure what these are either, so I've got to read the manual. But I will be doing a full review on this, so if you have questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try to address them in the full review. Expect to see that in about a week and a half or somewhere thereabout. If you want to purchase this or anything else from BenQ, use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll talk to you next time.